Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download iPhone 17, 17 Air and 17 Pro wallpapers. As you guys can see here, this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is my iPhone 11, and I have set the latest iPhone wallpapers on my all the iPhones, and I'll show you how you can set the latest wallpapers in your iPhones. So this is my iPhone 12 and I'm using iPhone 17 or iPhone Air wallpaper here. This is my iPhone 13 Pro, which I'm using iPhone's 17 Pro wallpaper, and this is Pro MAX wallpaper here. This is my iPhone 16 Pro Max and I'm using latest Apple wallpapers, and I'll show you how you can do that. The process is very easy. How you can download these wallpapers, I'll show you everything. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do is just simply download an application. I'll show you what app it is. So you can see all the wallpapers are here. I'll show you in my iPhone 13 Pro, right? So first of all, open the App Store and search for an application known as Wallpaper Central. This app is really good. I have been using this app from last 4 years, I could say, and as you guys can see here, I have already installed it. The size of this app is very short, 41 MB, very less amount, right? And just open this application, allow some permissions, and you will see latest iPhone wallpapers on the screen. Right now you are on the home screen, and if you didn't see that, you're watching this video much later, you can just search here iPhone 17 wallpaper or iPhone wallpaper, and you will be able to get all these wallpapers here, as you guys can see here. So they are really cool wallpapers, and how to download this I'll show you, and they are in the highest resolution they can provide, right? So as you guys can see here, the size of this wallpaper is 6.43 MB and the resolution it shows right there. So I'll just hit on download and it will start from 0 and start up to end, ends up to end, and it says saved. And as it's saved, I'll just simply jump to the Photos app here, and then as you guys can see here, I have already downloaded many wallpapers here. So in order to set new wallpaper, click on that, hit on share button, now swipe up and click on use it as wallpaper, and that's it. Hit on add and you are done. As you guys can see here, I got set as wallpaper pair, and perfect, I got new wallpaper. So these are the all new wallpapers for the iPhone 17. I hope you guys find this trick helpful. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. Thank you so much guys, peace.